So we're here today in Chester Springs, PA, at a beautiful home where Eby Exteriors is replacing windows. There's some black exterior windows. It's a really neat product. We're going to show you that in a little bit, just to give you a look at this beautiful neighborhood and cul-de-sac. And we're gonna just check out what's going on with these windows. So here is the trailer full of new Marvin windows, fiberglass units that we're putting in at this home. We're also installing new AZEK trim, pre-painted trim around all of the windows. You can see our stack of trim here. We've painted it and touch it up after we install it. The beauty with the AZEK trim is that it once it's painted, it's going to hold paint for a long time. Just put it up, forget about it, but you can paint it to get the exact color that you want. One of our great installers, Andrew Stauffer, is here. Andrew, look up here and say hi.
Hello.
Andrew's just pre-assembling a window trim kit right here that we're just custom making for these homeowners for around their windows. We glue this AZEK together and then screw it together so it's a well assembled piece, and you'll see in just a bit how we go ahead and install that around these beautiful new windows. Sometimes besides just the window, the way the trim is done and installed can make all the difference in the final look. Thanks, Andrew. Okay, so we're back here with Andrew, and you can see the pre-assembled window trim kit that we looked at just a second ago. Andrew's going to go ahead and test fit that now around this window that we just recently installed. So Andrew, go ahead and set that thing in place. Sorry for the camera shake. Yeah, that looks great, Andrew. It looks like it's fitting in there pretty nicely.
Yeah, it's fitting nice.
Good. So what's the next step?
So next, we'll fasten the AZEK with Cortex screws.
Mm-hmm.
Screw goes in there, and then we have AZEK plugs that you go in and plug the holes after screws are installed, and then we just go around and touch up all the paint and face it off.
So you won't see any screws or fasteners. They'll be impervious to moisture. And you have underneath that trim, the window is fully prepped and ready to shed water.
That's correct. Yep.
For anything that might get behind the trim there. Great. All right, well, just to give you an idea, you can see the window to the right of Andrew. That's one that we haven't replaced yet, and that's what we're doing. We're going from a window, an old wood window like that, to a new black Marvin Elevate window, fiberglass with the new trim. And you can see the shutter lines there. We're going to reinstall these shutters. And then just to give you an idea what a finished unit looks like, there's one right there. Isn't that just a beautiful look? That black fiberglass, just clean, really just a sharp look in this house, and windows that these homeowners won't have to worry about for a long time. Great. Andrew, thanks again. Happy window installing.
Thanks.